Welcome back to Luminance Color Beauty, where beauty, color theory, and trend forecasting glow together. Today, we're diving into the hottest nail trends of 2026 based on Google Trends and the most influential nail artists shaping the beauty world. According to Hello Magazine, 2026 is all about expensive-looking neutrals, glossy finishes, and modern negative space designs. Vogue Scandinavia reports the rise of nuanced nails, layered, watercolor-like sheers that feel soft, artistic, and unpredictable. This year's color palette is a blend of milky jelly neutrals, petrol blues, pearlescent finishes, and earthy tones that feel grounded and luxurious. Real simple highlights, mood-brightening mauves, and soft pinks as must-wear shades for the year. And if you love bold looks, 2026 brings mixed metals, micro-French tips, delicate florals, and even couture-inspired sculptural nails straight from the runway. Whether you're a minimalist, a maximalist, or somewhere in between, 2026 is your year to experiment, shine, and express your style through nail art. To maintain that 2026 ready look between appointments, reapply top coat every 2 to 3 days to refresh, shine, and protect color. Moisturize cuticles daily with oil or balm to keep the nail area looking healthy. File snags immediately to prevent peeling or breakage. Avoid using nails as tools, no prying, scraping, or lifting. Wear gloves when cleaning or doing dishes to protect polish and nail health. These habits extend the life of both professional and at-home manicures and keep your nails aligned with the polished, intentional aesthetic 2026 is leaning into. If you've ever admired intricate nail designs and thought, I wish I could do that, you've come to the right place. Keep watching for the tutorial designed to turn that wish into a reality by breaking down one of the 4 biggest nail art trends for 2026 into simple, beginner-friendly steps you can master right at home. So grab your polishes, find a comfy spot, and get ready to create some beautiful art. Before you can paint the masterpiece, you need a great canvas. To achieve a long-lasting, professional-looking design, it's crucial to start with a great canvas. As Rebecca Crawforth, founder of Navy Professional, notes, strong, healthy nails are the foundation of every manicure. Following these simple prep steps will ensure your designs look polished and last longer. Step 1. Shape your nails. The trend for 2026 is all about shapes that are natural, practical, and easy to live with. Opt for a classic look that elongates the fingers, like a short, soft, square, or medium almond nail, as recommended by celebrity manicurist Julia Diogo. Step 2. Caring for your cuticles. Healthy cuticles are key to a polished look. Instead of cutting them, gently push them back. Make it a daily habit to moisturize them with a good quality cuticle oil or balm to keep the area hydrated and prevent hangnails. Step 3. Create a smooth canvas. Gently buff the surface of your nails. This smooths out any texture or ridges, ensuring your polish applies flawlessly. Step 4. Apply a base coat. The final step before color is a thin, even layer of base coat. This protects your natural nails from staining and helps your manicure adhere better. Once your base coat is dry, you're ready to move from prep to polish. Now I'm going to provide you steps on how to achieve dreamy, artistic nuanced nails. Here's what you'll need. A base coat, 2 to 3 sheer polishes of your choice like a neutral color beige or a blush pink, a small brush or sponge which is optional, a glossy top coat. 1. Prep the canvas. Start with your fully prepped nails. 2. Apply your first layer. Apply 1 thin coat of your lightest sheer shade over the entire nail. Let it dry. 3rd layer, don't cover. Once the first layer is dry, dab your 2nd shade in irregular patches. You can use the bottle brush for this, or a small art brush or a piece of sponge for a more diffused look. The goal is to layer, not completely cover the first color. 4. Add depth. Sparingly add your 3rd shade to create more depth, making sure some of the natural nail or base color is still visible through the layers. 5. Seal with shine. Finish with a high gloss top coat. This final step is essential for blending the layers and achieving that signature gossamer effect. Congratulations, you've successfully learned how to create 4 of 2026's most stylish nail art designs. The most important part of this process is to have fun, be patient with yourself, and let your creativity shine. Now that you've created your stunning new manicure, let's make sure it lasts. Now let's go over a few tips to extend the life of your nail art and keep it looking fresh. Incorporate these simple habits into your routine to protect your beautiful work. First, refresh your shine. Reapply your top coat every 2 to 3 days to restore shine and add a protective layer against chips. Next, hydrate daily. Moisturize your cuticles every day with oil or balm. This keeps the skin around your nails healthy and prevents hangnails. Fix snags fast. If you get a small chip or snag, file it away immediately to prevent it from getting worse. Treat them like jewels, not tools. Avoid using your nails to pry open cans, scrape off labels, or do other tasks that can cause breakage. And finally, wear gloves. Protect your manicure from harsh chemicals and water by wearing gloves when cleaning or washing dishes. If you've enjoyed this video, please leave comments, give it a like, share, and select the next video for more glow up beauty tutorials. Until next time, remember to glow smarter, glow brighter.
All right, let's talk nails, but I mean really talk about what's coming next. We are diving deep and decoding the biggest trends for 2026. From what we're seeing on the runways to what you'll be asking for at the salon, this is basically your ultimate explainer.
Yeah, because let's be real. A manicure is so much more than just a bit of polish, right? It's like a tiny piece of art on your fingertips, a total conversation starter. So the big question we're really digging into today is, what story are your hands going to tell in the year ahead?
So what's fascinating about 2026 is that it's all about this huge clash of ideas. You've got these two major, totally opposite aesthetics going head to head. On one side, you have quiet luxury. You know, that super chic, expensive minimalism. It's all about your nails but better and putting wellness first. And then on the complete other end of the spectrum, you've got playful artistry. This is the more is more vibe. It's sculptural, it's expressive, and it's guaranteed to get people talking. Pretty much every trend we're going to see fits somewhere between these two poles.